you don't buy that we need unemployment to increase, employment to come down for there to be any real progress in inflation?
No. Here's one of the problems I have, Nathaniel, and then as you get to know me on this podcast, I'm really not big on people taking 4 or 5 historical data points spread out over 100 years and saying this needs to happen for this to happen. There is absolutely, positively no proof that inflation can't come down without the unemployment rate going up. I mean, I think people have missed. In fact, nobody talks about this, but in 1990, core CPI in the US was 5.2%. It gradually went down over the next decade to 2%. At the same time, 10-year rates were 9% in 1990, and it took the entire time to get them down below 5%. They never got below 4.5% over that decade. Today's 10-year rate is 3.6%. So when people say this has to happen for this to happen, 1990 to 1999 was a pretty bullish time for US stocks. It was also a time where people didn't worry about inflation or unemployment because we didn't lose any jobs during the period from 1991 on. So there's nothing that says this has to happen. I do think wages are going to stay strong. That's one of the things that feeds into the blockchain, which I think is going to have an impact on the ability for labor to get back some of the money they've lost over the years from the capital side or from the company side. But that's a different story.